Okay, this wig is ready to be flued out. Okay, look at this. What lace? Like, what lace? What frontal?
You don't hear my line no more. Oh, oh, you don't make it ring, 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 ring.
If you guys want to see how I made this wig for my customer to ship out, please stay tuned. Hey guys, it's your girl Natalie back at it again with another video for you guys. This video will be me showing you how I customize this, curl it up, and send it out to one of my customers. So this is the wig that she ordered. All I did was pluck out the sides a little bit. All my frontals come pre-plucked, so I didn't really have to do much. I just did a little bit more. And I let it sit overnight and let it dry. So now it's dry. And all I'm gonna do is just curl up the hair. This is 3 bundles of 30 and 2 bundles of 28 with a 20-inch frontal. So I'm gonna curl it up for you guys so you guys can see how I curl up the hair and send it out to my customers. This hair was freshly washed. All I did was I finished the wig and I washed it and I let it dry overnight. So this is how it looks when the hair is dry. Super thick and super lovely. So let's curl it up for you guys so you guys can see. this is the wig. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I post videos like this, but I'm trying to post more. So if you like it, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And turn your notifications on because I post daily, okay? Look at this. Alright guys, I will see you guys on my next video. Say bye guys.